Prashant, just hang on for a second. Need to run through the auto sales, the numbers that we have so far. Then we'll ask you for your take. We have Sudarshan joining in, and the leaders continue their good form. That's the story so far. Mahindra and Mahindra, TVS, again, good numbers coming in, but Sud has all the details. Over to you, Sud.
We still have few companies to report auto sales for the month of May, but companies which have already reported sales, and for them sales are looking largely better than estimates, starting with M&M. Both auto and tractor segments have reported sales better than estimate. Total sales for auto segment were up 17%. SUV sales were up almost 21%. And as far as tractor segment is concerned, here total sales have increased by 10%. Also, companies saying that considering early advancement of monsoon, sales for coming months also are going to be healthy. Coming to Tata Motors, it continues to underperform the peers. Even for the month of May, sales were below estimates. Here, total sales have declined 9%. Domestic sales have slipped 10%. Also, PV sales have fallen 11%. And even CV sales were down almost 5%. Coming to two-wheeler companies, two companies that have been outperforming for the last few months. And even in the month of May, these two companies, TVS Motor and Eicher Motors, have outperformed. So first, talking about TVS Motor, here healthy trend continues. All the segments have registered growth of more than 14%. Total sales were up 17%. Two-wheeler sales have increased by 16%. Even export sales were up 22%. And EV sales were up 50% year-on-year. But for EV sales, companies saying that considering the disruption in the supply of rare earth magnet in near to medium term, EV sales can be impacted. Coming to Eicher Motors, again, here also sales were better than estimate. Royal Enfield total sales were up 26%. And sales for engine capacity up to 350cc. Here sales were up 28%, and above 350cc capacity sales were up 16%. Good part for Eicher Motors is contribution of export has been increasing for the last few months, and even in the month of May, export sales were up almost 82%. One company that has been underperforming is Hero Moto, and even in the month of May, sales for Hero Moto were below estimates. It has seen low single-digit growth for all the segments. Total sales were up 2%. Motorcycle sales have increased 1%. Domestic sales were up 2%, while export sales were flat. So, barring Hero Moto and Tata Motors, all the companies which have reported auto sales for the month of May so far have been better than estimates.
All right, got that. Sudarshan, thanks very much for a neat wrap-up of all the numbers that we've seen so far.